Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert and remove a battery from WOLFANG GA400. And to do this, first we'll need to take a look on the bottom of our camera. It needs to be removed from the case. Then click on this button right here, and while holding it, push the hatch to the right. It should release, and now we can open it. Inside we need to align the battery, and I think this camera comes with two different batteries, so you can exchange them without any problem. And align it like this so that the slot catches these three hinges, and push it downwards like that. Now close the hatch and your battery will be inserted. If you want to remove it, then click on the button again and open the slot. Here there's this clip that you can pull towards yourself to remove the battery. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.